Hi guys, so just wanted to come on and show what the Takra Kalpa should look like when it's ready to add the herbs. So quite a lot of messages about kind of how much foam. So my preference for doing the Takra is a hand whisk like that. This is probably from the 1990s, but it's still going. And it's good because the speed is controllable and you actually get the froth to the top. You can use a NutriBullet, but obviously when you invert it, so when you unscrew it and take it off, the risk is that it re-blends. So something like this, excuse the noise, I'm not going to do it because obviously it's a waste of your time, but so I've done that for about 3 minutes before pressing record. Well, 2 to 3 minutes, and that's what you should be left with. So that's the buttermilk. So if you scooped all that off, you could then churn that into butter. Okay, so that's kind of what we want to remove. So you scoop all that off. So you see, if I carry on churning that would become super thick. So you want to get all that off. Like so, and then what you're left with is the Takra. So that is now free of all of the really thick lipids, the thick fats, super easy to digest. I won't go through the benefits again because you can watch the video, but ultimately that is what you want to be adding. So you add that into the cup and then add the herbs to that, and that's what you want to discard. That's kind of what it should be looking like. But everyone is asked, what should the fat removal look like? It looks like that. Okay, so that's what you should have off the top. And that is what you should have left behind. Okay, so any questions, let me know.